Wala style na. Abierto. Oh, nice. Yapil na ko ka ma'am kay para makuha ka sa Yes, we're one of the earliest birds. The earliest pack with our past national president. Tita Domingo is here. Very glam. Very glam. Hello, ma'am. Happy anniversary. Oh, yeah, sure. No.
Ang paniluya, binina mo si attorney sa una, sir. Nawag ka?
Asan ka camera?
Asa naman kamera? Una, sige.
It's our current president sa Sareb, Attorney Mora. Yes, celebrities and other vloggers in the house. Our Vice President for Visayas, Eva Dumagan, with our past president, 25 sa Parel. So guys, excited na sa anniversary.
Yes.
Another celebrities in the house. Celebrities now walking at the red carpet. So guys, I think we have a guest coming. One of our sponsors from Hello FWD. Wow, forward looking. Guys, this is how it looks like when you're already late for the party. Nice. Party's about to start, guys.
The leaders and fellow members in this room, may this evening be a reminder of our shared mission to serve with excellence and high ethical standards.
So guys, it's dinner time. Ida. From Leyte, from Bohol to Cebu, guys. Visayas, hello. Yes, sir, Samlao, guys. And our anniversary. Yes, sir.